Hey guys, this is review for LED strip light to wire connector terminals from Biantie. I bought these 10 connectors for my home DIY project, and here's close-up connector. One side there's 3 holes, this is wire side. The opposite side there's no holes, there's only 2 wire, that's for the LED side. Put the 2 wires on the wire side, make sure no wire coming through the middle, flip it to the LED strip light side, make sure the lid actually touch the connectors and press it until you hear the cracking sound and hear how it looks like when they're finished. Make sure double check the polarity, positive, negative to the wire. Let's power it, make a test. Bingo, this is how I connect my power adapter into the LED strip light. Very straightforward. It's very beautiful. It's transparent color, does not block any LEDs on the connectors. Beautiful terminal. Here's the tip. Is if you press it, you never put it back. It's just one-time usage. The way you're gonna do it, from corner, you push the one side and the other side, put it out. And this is how you release. And here's the actual project. I made it at home to put a light for my bookshelf. It's very beautiful. You can see it's about 3 meters, so I have to connect several connectors through the wire connector. And overall, that's it. Very simple. You got a 10 2-pin 8mm wire connectors. I'm very happy with my home DIY project.